Hey everyone, welcome back to Omtech Systems. I'm Malind, and in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the missing ticket URL issue in SupportCandy. Many users have reported that their ticket URL is not appearing in email notifications. If you're facing this issue, don't worry. I have the solution for you. The issue happens when the ticket URL macro does not return any value. This means that the email notifications do not include the ticket link. Why does this happen? The reason is that SupportCandy requires a support page or an open ticket page to be set up as the ticket URL page. But if these pages are not set up, the ticket URL macro cannot generate a valid link. Now let me show you how to fix it. To fix the issue, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create a new page in WordPress. Step 2. Add the SupportCandy shortcodes. All the shortcodes are listed on SupportCandy's official website. If you want the full ticketing system, use the shortcode SupportCandy. If you just need the open ticket form, use the shortcode WPSC open ticket. Here I am using SupportCandy, which renders the entire ticketing system like this. Step 3. Go to Support, Settings, General Settings, Page Settings. Step 4. Assign your newly created page to both the support page and open ticket page settings. You can leave it empty if you do not have either one. Step 5. Under Ticket Page URL, select either the support page or open ticket page. Step 6. Finally, save the changes, and that's it. Your ticket URL should now work properly in email notifications. Special offer. Before we end, I have a special offer for you. Use the code MIKE20 to get 20% off on all SupportCandy premium plans. Don't miss this chance to upgrade at a lower price. Need more help? If you've tried all these steps and still face issues, don't worry. You can reach out to SupportCandy's support team at support@supportcandy.net. Also, if you need help with your WordPress site, plugin setup, or website development, I offer freelance services. Visit my website, Omtech Systems, to see how I can help you. Like, subscribe, and stay updated. I hope this video helped you fix the ticket URL issue. If you found